Today, traders were alerted to a series of macroeconomic data such as a consumer sentiment index from the eurozone for June, existing home sales in the United States, and the Richmond Fed manufacturing index. How did the market respond to the news? Let's find out on InstaForex TV channel. The euro has been trading under pressure in the first half of the week. The euro-dollar pair sank below 1.1160, which is the lowest level in 2 months. The pair has been trading lower for 3 sessions in a row amid growing demand for the US dollar and expectations of monetary easing by the ECB. The European regulator will unveil its policy update on Thursday. Anticipation of changes in the ECB's monetary policy overshadowed data on consumer confidence from the eurozone. The report revealed a better-than-expected figure as it climbed to -6.6. Investors are hesitating to buy the euro on the back of the greenbacks rally. The likelihood of a deep rate cut by 50 basis points is waning, thus providing the US dollar with support. Its index jumped to a 5-week high at near 97.60. Optimistic market sentiment on the US dollar is proved by a muted response on weak economic data, so traders took no notice of falling demand for existing homes in the United States. Such home sales tumbled by 1.7% in June, much worse than expected. Nevertheless, the USD CAD pair continued its advance, rebounding from a 1-year low. The pair has been trading upwards for 3 straight sessions. As a result, the price hit a new 1-month high and tested strong resistance at near 1.3150. The Canadian dollar suffered a blow from falling oil prices as the International Energy Agency cut its forecast for global oil demand growth. That's all for today. Follow developments in financial markets on InstaForex TV channel. See you back tomorrow.